Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I tried the Organics Ocean Shilajit, that dark mineral resin that's trending everywhere for boosting energy, focus, and hormones. It is a purified Himalayan Shilajit resin that claims to improve stamina, immunity, and mental clarity due to fulvic acid and trace minerals. The brand says it's third-party tested and 100% natural. It tastes strong, I would say. It is earthy and bitter, but manageable if you mix it with warm water. I used it every morning for about 2 weeks, and I actually did notice more steady energy and better focus. It feels more like a natural endurance than a caffeine rush. However, results vary. Some days I didn't feel much, and it's unclear if the product's mineral content is truly standardized. The flaws are it may have a strong taste and smell, there is unclear mineral concentration, and it is a bit expensive for a small jar size. If you're curious about Shilajit, this one's decent, but don't expect instant miracles. It's a slow, subtle supplement good for natural vitality, not performance spikes. It is natural but niche. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.